taking comfort, function, and fun all the way to the maximum, all the way to the top. This is the Tamworth, made from 7.5 ounce 100% certified recycled polyester polar fleece with accent fabrics of a 4 ounce 100% nylon crepe, giving this texture blocking to the max. This jogger is semi-fitted, has a mid-rise, elastic waist, nylon built-in webbing belt with a cam release buckle, 2 patch pockets on the front with that nylon crepe, we're getting that texture blocking, and zipper closure pockets. All the way down to the bottom, we've got an enclosed elastic hem, making this a jogger style. Get ready for comfort, après all day. Whether you're reading a book by the campfire, running errands, or chilling at home, the Tamworth will keep you nice and warm.